Hi there, this is Alvin with kickstartcommerce.com, and welcome to today's tutorial where I'm going to share with you how to use GoDaddy's new domain manager view to push a domain from one account to the next. And so let's go ahead and hop into the GoDaddy domain manager. And so I already have a domain that's ready here, but essentially you're here in this view, select the domain. Then you're able to see here that this menu lights up. Go to ownership, and then from ownership move to other GoDaddy account. Click move to other account, and then basically you need to fill in this information for this user. And I have another GoDaddy account that I'm using as a test. And I'll use the old outdated let's see here, the old outdated AOL address that's attached to this account. Put that account number, and that number is optional. And then it says, do you want to copy the current domain contact information to the new account? And either you can select yes or no. I'm going to select yes. Transfer, and basically now that transfer is in progress, and now the other person, whoever you're pushing that account to, can basically receive that domain from their end, and that's all it is to it, to transfer one domain from your account to another GoDaddy account. So if you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a line below the video here, leave comments, questions as well. Subscribe to the YouTube channel where I release a video every week about tips and tricks of domain investing as well as digital strategies to help you grow your business. And last but not least, please visit kickstartcommerce.com and go to the right hand side and subscribe to the Daily Scoop newsletter, where I share with you daily digital disciplines to help grow your business. Thanks, and that's all for now.